we have already seen this advanced web designing, and our topic was form tag and its elements, right? So we have already seen this first program, but now I have added some more attributes in it that we have seen, like see here, color, week, then file, we can upload file here, such that I have added some points in this program so that you can understand what these inputs works like. So you just have to write these lines into your current program that I have already given. You can see this is the program that we have seen in last lecture, but now I have just added this color, week, file element in this. So, and we will see some more elements also so that you can see. Now see, last time I have just given the address of this file which is in the computer, but it was it cannot be seen in the browser because it is not a PNG file, right? See, what we have to do, I have downloaded the PNG format submit icon at desktop. See here, you can see if I open it, it looks like this. So I will now take its address. See, you have to go to the properties and copy this address, copy this address and just paste it over it. Paste it, and now the remaining part is your name of your file. The name of file is this, so you copy this and paste it, and the extension of this file is PNG. Why PNG? Because the icons of the files are made by the PNG format. This is PNG format. So you can make icons. So we have to take there the submit icon. So it will looks like a submit button, which is like this that I have shown you, like this. Okay. Okay, we will see that after running program. So I'm going to run the program in browser. See, here it is the previous program, and here is color panel. You can choose the color, any colors. If you want to put colors in website, then you have to choose. If you have to choose the colors in website, then you can put in your form. If you have to select the what is your favorite color, then you can make your website interactive by making this. Here you can enter in which week you are. In which week means you may see like number 14. So what is week number 14? Then 40 weeks that you can enter here. If you want to upload file, so then you can click here. See, this is the code of this line. The color appears after this code, week appears after this code, and your file can be uploaded after this code. Getting? So now see, in the browser you can see if I click in browse, then the explorer window is getting open so that you can choose file. Suppose I am choosing a file which is suppose this file form, I'm choosing the file, then it is getting selected here. Look, the first form here, I chose the file first form, and this email date we have already seen, time you can write here, the number of years we have already seen, the phone number which is in the pattern, see which pattern we have used, this pattern for phone number. Required field means you have to compulsory add it. If you keep it blank, it will appears red. I will show you. Look like this. If I keep this, these two fields are required. If I click and submit this button without entering the mobile number, it will appear red. See, please fill out this field. म्हणजे you have to enter this field compulsory. This field is not compulsory and other fields are not compulsory. Phone number is compulsory. You can make these fields compulsory also. If I write, see, if I write what is here, name, and if I write required here, see what will happen. If I cut this autocomplete and I write required there, then if I keep it blank, see, if I keep it blank and click over on submit query, then it will be also compulsory field. Okay, so it will be work like this. So we have seen in this topic, we have seen colors, weeks, browsing files, and see the image is not getting appear here, so we will see what is the problem. There should not be any problem here, but I think we should give height and width here. Suppose I give height 50 pixels and I will give width 100 pixels. Let's see if it is working or not. If not, there is no problem. It supports some browsers and it doesn't support. So erase this, then we'll see. Let's see what